We've developed this video to clarify the two licensing programs we have for Standard Time. The first would be a software as a solution or hosted solution where Scout West would actually host the application and database on our own servers. The second licensing program would be a self-hosted solution where you would install the software onto your own servers and support it there. Now, it should be understood that both of these solutions are web-based. You can access them with a browser. Both offer equivalent features and benefits and usage, and they both have technical support and product upgrades. So the differences lie in the IT infrastructure and the licensing fees. So let's jump into the two different licensing programs, and so that will allow you to see which one is the most beneficial for your organization. So the first licensing program would be software as a service, or the hosted solution. This is a 100% web-based solution, and you would be given a URL to access the application. So all of your employees would hit that same URL, and so you would not need any IT infrastructure. You would not need a web server or database, because Scout West is actually hosting this on our servers. So the application would be ready to go almost on day one, and so you simply pay a setup fee, and then there's an annual fee for the service and the support. All of the major and minor upgrades are included. There are no other hidden fees. You would get all of these tabs that you see here, all of the features. There's nothing else to buy. So you would get project tasks and project management, a timesheet, the historical time logs, expense tracking, invoicing, and time off. Everything is included in this. This is what they would call a turnkey solution. You simply sign up and you're ready to start tracking time. So the second licensing program would be the self-hosted solution, where you would actually install the Standard Time software onto your own servers and would support it there. That is actually the most common solution, and when you're accessing Standard Time within your organization on your local area network, you are able to use the Windows edition of Standard Time, which you're looking at now. So I'm going to switch back to the web edition so you can just get a quick look at the differences between the two software platforms. When I switch back to the web, of course this is accessed with a web browser. You can see that the application looks very similar to the Windows edition, which is a native Windows application that runs on your local area network. So when you self-host, you're actually able to use both of these platforms. You can use the Standard Time Windows edition on your local area network, or use the web edition also internally inside your firewall, or outside your firewall using a static IP address. So you get both platforms when you choose the self-hosted solution. If you have to access the web edition outside of your firewall, you would need a static IP address. You will actually need Microsoft Windows IIS and SQL Express to host the web edition. Both the Windows and web editions access the same SQL database. So you actually can use both platforms at any time and switch back and forth. So you decide who uses which platform. It makes it a lot easier to have both of those available to you. So to get started with this licensing program, which I said was the most common program, is you simply buy the product licenses, and then you pay a small annual fee for the upgrades and support. And that's really all you have to do. So those are the two licensing programs, the software as a service or hosted solution, and the second one would be the self-hosted solution. And so hopefully this video has given you enough information to allow you to choose the right one that is appropriate for your organization.